Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Okay, before we start, if you want to measure your blood oxygen levels, make sure to wear your watch correctly. And to do it, you simply need to put it on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around. Also, it should be like 2 fingers away from your hand, basically, a distance somewhere around that for it to be placed correctly. Okay, and once you wear your watch correctly and you want to measure your oxygen levels, simply wake up the screen on your watch, then press the Chrome button to open the menu, and now scroll through the menu and look for the blood oxygen icon. It's going to be this one. It's also, I believe, called SpO2. So if we use the Chrome button to show the names of the apps, it is the SpO2. So find this icon, tap on it. It will open the SpO2 menu. If you open the app for the first time, it will prompt you with the terms of agreement, and you will need to scroll down and tap on agree, I believe twice. And after that you will see this page, and here you can tap on measure. It will start measuring your blood oxygen levels. For me, I don't think it will do it. Let's try to put my finger under the sensor, maybe it will start measuring. Yeah, it won't. I would need to wear the watch, but I don't think I'm gonna put it on just to measure the thing. Basically, it will start measuring, and after I believe it will take like maybe 20 or 40 seconds, something like that. After that, you should see your result right here, and also you have a graph during the day, because by default the auto measurement is enabled, so it will gather your stats throughout the day. But you can also disable the auto measurements if you want to, or if they're disabled, you can also enable them. And to do that, your watch needs to be paired with a phone, and once it is, you can open the Huawei Health application on it. Let me actually zoom out the screen so you can see the screen. Like this. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Huawei Health. And here we can tap on devices, select our Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, then scroll down through the device page and find the option called, I believe it's going to be health monitoring, yeah, here. And then you can tap on automatic SpO2. And here we can turn on or off the automatic SpO2, and we can also set up the low SpO2 alert. So if you tap right here, you have disabled 75%, 80%, 85 and 90%. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.